Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Y'all probably say, wow, he got everything out prepped and ready to go already. Yeah, because this another impromptu video, y'all. I want to share with y'all something I created about a little bit over 10 years ago with my neighbors here. They happen to be Hispanic, and one of them, maybe two or three of them, don't like pork. And I always cook with pork all the time, you know what I mean? Especially when I cook beans. So I say, look, I'm going to create a soup that has no pork in it. So that's what I have here. I'm going to show y'all, since it's the winter time, I say it's the perfect time to do this. I'm going to show y'all my beef soup. Beef soup. Well, it is beef soup, but it's bean soup. Pinto bean soup with beef. And I got some peppers in here. Let me show y'all what I have. I'm going to come back in a second. I'm going to do it in my slow cooker instant pot on the slow cooker setting for 8 hours. This is something you can do the day before. The morning you go to work, put it on 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, whenever you leave to work, come in the afternoon, it's ready. The weekend, early in the morning when you get up and you can have it for dinner. It's absolutely amazing because you're just going to slow cook all day. All these flavors going to mix together. So, like I said, there's no pork in this at all. I got pinto beans. I got sweet peppers here. They're not even hot. These peppers I use a lot of time for my pepper sauce. I got some of these. I got the red, yellow, and orange. All I did was season them a little, slice them in rings. I got some Anaheim peppers back here that I seeded and sliced up. I got my, like I said, my beef shanks. These some tough beef shanks you find in the supermarket. I got that going in there. Got that little marrow in that bone there. Ooh, that's going to be good. I'm telling y'all, when it's cooked down, it's amazing. I got my beef hot links here. I got me some garlic. I got salt and pepper, my Cavenders. I got my beef bouillon powder. And then I got some large diced peppers and onions. I got large diced celery and onions there. All that's going to put in my Instant Pot here. So I'm going to step off, get my Instant Pot set up, and we're going to come back, and we're going to put this in the Instant Pot, and then I'll see y'all in about 8 hours. I'm telling y'all, this is amazing beef soup. I like to eat mine with cornbread. They use tortillas and all that to eat with theirs. I just give me some cornbread and a beef thing of this soup here, and it's on and hopping. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back just a second. All right, we are back, y'all. Now to start adding our ingredients in here. First thing I like to put is my beans. And my beans, they are washed. I do not soak my beans. These particular ones, I do not soak. I just put them in there just like that. So y'all got that. Because somebody going to ask, do you soak the beans ahead of time? No, I do not soak. I'll say it again. I do not soak the beans ahead of time. Still somebody going to ask me. But anyway, beans first. Because I think I'm trying to put them at the bottom where you get near the heater animal. Because to me, they take the longest. Then, I put my meat in here. I'm going to put my beef shanks right on top of the meat. On top of the beans. You're probably saying, this guy's crazy. Trust me, y'all. Like I said many times before, y'all got to trust me here. Now, let me get my cup here. I'm going to fill this thing all the way up with water pretty much. All the way up with water, y'all. Pretty much until I get the other stuff, and then we'll add more water to it. Like I say, you want as much liquid as you can get in here because it's a soup. Of course, no liquid's going to escape out of here. That's what's amazing about these Instant Pot. Okay, now, we're going to put our other meat in here, my other sausage. Now, I'm going to add my peppers. Other peppers in there. I like to layer them. I don't know why. They're all the same, y'all. Now, put my onions and celery. See that pretty that is, y'all? My garlic. Now, last thing we're going to do is put our seasoning. That's my chicken bouillon powder. Then my salt and pepper and my Cavenders. Okay. Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm put some water right on top of the last thing of seasoning. Kind of get it where it's kind of spread around in there. A little bit more. We're going all the way to the top. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gonna be amazed, y'all, with this. Okay. That's it. That is it. Easiest pie, right? Easiest pie right there. All I'm gonna do, put the lid on here, set the temperature. Make sure it's sealed. Go down here to slow cook, which is crock pot. We're going all the way to eight hours, y'all. Looks like I'll do 8.5. I'll catch it off before 8, but we'll do 8.5 because I got that much time. But right now it is 2 p.m. This is gonna be my late night dinner tonight, y'all. It's gonna be 10 o'clock when it's ready tonight. I'm gonna have me because I have a lot of stuff to do and I don't have time to really eat dinner at a normal time. So this is gonna be perfect. Got me some cornbread left over. So tonight, be eating really, really late, by 10:30. Big hot, and it's gonna be cool again tonight. Big hot bowl of bean soup with all that good meat in it. I'm telling y'all, when I open this pot up, y'all gonna be absolutely amazing. Like I say, this is a soup. It's not a stew. So all this stuff just gonna cook all day long in this pot. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back in about 8 hours. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. We're releasing the last of the steam here, y'all, so we can open this up. Like I've told y'all before, this will not open until this steam is completely reduced out of here. It's been a little bit of 8. Now I did just let it went 8.5 hours, y'all. So we about to see what we got in here. Old school bean soup, y'all. Can't get no better than this. So this thing, like I say, when this thing in the back pop up, you can open this up. You cannot open it until that thing release in the back. 1 second, it shouldn't be much longer here. Just down here where y'all can see here. Let's see. There we go. Here we go, y'all. What we got here, y'all? Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this, y'all. Big old pot of goodness right here. Look at this, y'all. 8 hours simmering. You just mix all this meat. You got all this meat. Remember, you got 4 bones in here. Look at that. Now, that's a bean soup right there, y'all. Let me get my ladle here where y'all can really see. Look at that. Look at that. Got them peppers in there that's perfectly cooked in there. I'm telling you, my Mexican friends, they love this soup, y'all. They think it's the best thing in the world. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off here, y'all. I'm going to get me a bowl of this and bowl it up. Or pour it up in the bowl, however you want to say it. And we're going to taste this soup with some, and I'm going to see how it is. I already know how good it is. But anyway, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Look at this bowl of goodness here, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at this here. Good old stuff here. And like I say, if I was serving this at my house, I just leave this thing sitting right up here and I keep the thing in it and just put it on warm. And people just come scoop it just like that, I'm telling you. Okay, let's get a good old spoon of this here. Let me show y'all here. And then remember, like I say, y'all, this is a soup, y'all. This is a bean soup. Okay. Beans are perfectly cooked. Let me show you that. Hold on, let me get a beans right here. We all can see it. After 8 hours in the Instant Pot, see how them beans just so tender. See that? So tender. See that? Find me a little of this taqueria. Some of this shanks here. Alright, hold on now. I'm going in again. I like to eat with a little cornbread. I'm telling y'all, I like mine with a cornbread in mine. So my Hispanic friends, they like to eat tortillas with theirs. It's all good, however we want to eat it. Look at that. See that nice smoked sausage in there? Big old piece of sausage. Or hot link, beef hot link. One more bite here. I told y'all, this is my supper tonight. It's 10:45 p.m. I'll put the throw down, y'all. I'll put the throw down. Hold on just a second. I gotta put this little hot sauce in mine. And remember, y'all, those peppers are not hot. The Anaheim peppers and the sweet pepper, they're not hot peppers. They just give the soup a lot of flavor. Oh my God, I love this stuff, y'all. Especially on a warm, not a warm, yeah. Warm is okay too, but on a chilly night to keep you warm, this is perfect. Wow. Good eating here, y'all. Good old bean soup. Move y'all back over here again. Let me move this over here again. Like I said, y'all, when people's at my house, I keep this on warm and just come scoop all you want. Perfect. Warm your day right there. But anyway, y'all, I just want to show y'all another soup that I kind of created years ago. And show you how easy it is. This is one of the easiest cooking videos I ever done. Like I say, just put everything in an Instant Pot, set it for 8.5 hours, slow cooker, walk away, come back, and this is what you got, y'all. One thing about this, if you don't have an Instant Pot, yeah, crock pot do the same thing, but put it on a high speed. On crock pot, put it on high. If you got a setting on your crock pot. I haven't used a crock pot in years. Once I got an Instant Pot, I got rid of my crock pot. This does everything crock pot does and more. So, alright y'all, let me close this video out while I can eat my dinner. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.